DX12 crash in Wuchang, Game Pass on PC. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. Please open your app to see this link. For AMD, use AMD Adrenalin software. Please open your app to see this link. Download and install the latest drivers. Restart your PC after the update. Step 2. Enable DirectX features in Windows. 1. Press Windows, type optional features, and press Enter. 2. Enable Direct Play if not already checked. 3. Click OK and restart if prompted. Step 3. Update Windows. 1. Go to Settings, Windows Update. 2. Click Check for Updates and install all available updates. 3. Restart your PC once done. Step 4. Adjust compatibility settings if you can access exe. 1. Right-click the game shortcut or .exe if accessible. 2. Go to Properties, Compatibility. 3. Enable. Run this program in compatibility mode. Select Windows 8. Disable full screen optimizations. Run as administrator. 4. Click Apply. Open quote. Note, Game Pass games often lock exe access. Use this step only if possible. Close Step 5. Lower graphics settings in Xbox App Play. 1. Open Xbox app. Installed games. Wuchang. 2. If adjustable, set to windowed mode or lower resolution. 3. Launch and test. Step 6. Repair or reset the game. 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. 2. Find Wuchang Fallen Feathers. 3. Click the three-dot menu, Advanced Options. 4. Try Repair. If that fails, choose Reset. Step 7. Install DirectX Runtime. Download from h/www.microsoft.com/nl/download/8=x-35. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Run and install the DirectX end user runtime. 3. Restart your PC. Step 8. If needed, reinstall the game, uninstall Wuchang via Xbox app, restart your PC, reinstall the game fresh. Extra tip, advanced. If the game supports launch commands in the future, try DX12 or D3D12 to force DX12 mode, not currently supported in Game Pass UI, but may be in later updates. Let me know if